Hi, this is Chad with NoviSign, and today we're going to go over our templates for hospitality. To get started, I'm going to select the New Creative button. Here it loads up our library of professionally designed, fully customizable digital signage templates. Select the Any Category dropdown and the Hospitality. Here we have all of our options for specifically designed templates for hotels, resorts, or everything else related to hospitality. I can either build something from scratch, or I can choose from one of the templates that I have available. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for something that will have a nice zone for welcome messages, as well as a listing of the daily events. So here, I'm going to choose this template. Once it loads up in the middle, we will have our canvas. The canvas is which you can add your different widgets to build the layout. On the left are your widgets. A widget is an item that you can add to the screen. As far as widgets, we have a text widget, an image widget, a video widget, slideshow widget, scrolling ticker, we have an RSS feed, YouTube, Ustream, a weather widget, clock, countdown, shape, web page, display a web image, FTP site, touchscreen, template within the template, and social media. As far as the layout is concerned, everything is fully editable. So here, this slideshow, if I would like to make it smaller and move it around, I can do that as well. Get rid of this backdrop that's white. If I don't want something, just simply delete it. As far as the text box that we have here with the day's events, changing those, very, very straightforward. So if I double click inside of this box, I can simply highlight it and type the event. I can also adjust the size and color of the text by simply highlighting it. Here's my drop down. So if I want that blue, red, if I have a color code, I can copy and paste that in there as well. You can also change the font size, the font, and so on. As far as widgets and adding components, let's say maybe I'd like to start with a weather. So I'm going to select on my weather icon, drag that to the canvas. Here on the right are the properties. So if I select the location, I can type in the location, click OK. Then I can change the color so I can see it. So now the text is white. Same thing with the subtext for the conditions. Change that to white. There we go. If you want to not display the conditions, simply uncheck it. I can then resize it. And if I'd like to move that around, I will put that up here. If you want to get rid of the border, simply select it and delete it. I can move my text box welcome message over here. And maybe if I wanted to add a slideshow or say a scrolling ticker on the bottom, say I want to get rid of that design there on the bottom, simply delete it. Start with my slideshow. So I'm going to click on the slideshow widget, drag that over. Then I can fill it to go right here. On the right are the properties, so I can upload my files. I hit the image icon. I hit upload. I can upload PNGs, JPEGs, PowerPoint slides, what have you. For right now, I'll just grab some standard stock images that I have. Insert. Then on the right, it says 10. That represents seconds. So if I want it to display for every 5 seconds and rotate through, I can do that as well. You can also put other widgets inside of the slideshow. So let's say, for example, I would like to display a specific section of my website that is highlighting the amenities. On the left, I have my web page widget. So I'm going to drag that and put that inside of the box. I can then adjust the sequence and put that to play second. And by hitting the edit pen, I can simply copy and paste the amenities section of my website URL here, and inside of this zone, it will display. I can go back. Now, let's say I wanted to add an RSS feed, so like a sports feed or something to that extent. So on the left, I have my RSS widget. Simply select it, drag that over to the canvas. Then I can move it around and place it in the area. So I want it to be a ticker, meaning it would scroll on the bottom. So here, just adjusting the size first. Then on the right, I can customize it. So I want to change the direction of the ticker to go left. And then I'm going to change the font color so it's white. So there we go. Now the title is white. And then the subtext. So the subtext is white. And there we go. So now I've got my scrolling ticker on the left. So the overall takeaway is the interface. It's very, very straightforward. We have a very nice library of templates that will help you get started. And you can customize it so that it will have the exact look and feel that your resort property is looking to have. Thank you. For more information, please visit www.novisign.com.